I'm absolutely loving my time reselling on eBay, getting items that can now have a second chance and a second opportunity to be used in someone else's home. It invigorates me. It's so exciting. Hello everyone, welcome back to ReMended and Revival. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I sold in my third month reselling on eBay. It's early November, and this is now my third video in the series of what sold on eBay as a beginner. I just started reselling on eBay at the end of July, and now I have completed my third full month of reselling, and it's been going pretty good. I'm trying to list items consistently every day, whether it's 1 to 3 items per day. As a part-time reseller, this strategy is working for me. In the month of October, I made 20 sales, which I'm pretty pleased about. If you're a new reseller like me, this could give you some tips and ideas of what is selling for other new resellers. It might be helpful for you. If not, it's just kind of fun to see what is selling. I like these videos, so hopefully this can help someone out there too. I feel like I also need to preface this. As a new reseller, the first place I went to shop was my home. I am constantly looking through my home, looking through my closet, my husband's closet, my adult sons who no longer live at my house's closets. I'm looking at items that maybe have some value, but are not being used anymore and could be of use to someone else. So that is kind of something that I am consistently doing, is shopping at my own home. I do go to thrift stores maybe once a week, not that often, and I do try to source some items that sell relatively quickly, although sometimes it doesn't work for me, but that is kind of my goal, is to get items that will sell relatively quickly so someone out there can find value in that and reuse a secondhand item. So with that being said, let's just jump in and see what sold in the month of October. My first sale that I made was an item that was from our home. It is this Apple iPhone leather magnetic wallet. It's magnetized to the Apple iPhones. This sold on October 3rd and it was listed October 2nd. So this was a very quick sell, which I love. It sold for $16.15. The second sale I made was for this Jeffrey Bean men's silk tie. It sold for $6.80. Not really what I was hoping it would sell for, but it sold. And I listed this, one of my early listings, when I first opened my store in July, and then it sold October 3rd. So it took some time. My third item that sold on October 3rd is another Apple iPhone magnetic wallet. This one was new in box, never been used. So I thought, let's sell it. This was one of my own, and it sold for $25. It took a while to sell. This was listed in the end of August, and it sold October 3rd. My next sale, again on October 3rd, that was a good day. I wonder if that was a weekend. Yes, October 3rd was a Friday. Okay. The next item that sold on October 3rd was this Levi's pair of jeans, men's jeans, and these sold for $10.61. Again, not really what I would hope they would sell for, but because they had been listed since the beginning of August, I took a best offer and sold those on October 3rd. The next item that I sold, this was October 4th, was for this Burton jacket. It sold for $62.86. I listed this the same day it sold. So this was a really good, this was a good one. People were looking for this type of jacket. So this sold in October. I posted it October 4th. It sold October 4th. People are preparing for being outdoors in the colder months, whether you live where it's snowy or you like to go skiing or snowboarding. This is kind of a great jacket for that. and being used, it's at a fraction of a price as what you would pay for a brand new Burton jacket. So I'm glad this went to a very happy person. My next item that sold on October 6th was this purse. This happened to be mine. I think I used it maybe one time. I don't even know if I did. It took longer than I expected to sell. I posted this August 2nd and it sold October 6th for $30. On October 7th, I sold this Ralph Lauren men's button down. This happened to be a shirt of my husband's. It sold for $14.88. I posted this September 5th, so it took just about a month to sell. My next sale was on October 11th, and it was for this women's gingham black and white rain jacket. This took a while to sell. For whatever reason, my listing wasn't attractive for a while. It took a few months to sell. So when the best offer of $10.80 came, I said, yes, please, let's get this out of here. So I sold it. This next item on October 11th, I have no idea what this is. Google Chromecast Ultra 4K streaming media player, blah, 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 blah. This was something that was ours that we were no longer using, that I saw on eBay had some value. I posted this October 6th and it sold just under a week later on October 11th for $20.90. This candle also sold on October 11th. I sold it for $12. I posted it in early August, so it took a couple months to sell. I'm happy that someone is going to be burning a candle and giving them some fall vibes. This was just one of my personal candles. There's a few of these Bath and Body Works candles that I had that all ended up selling on eBay for different prices, as you'll see. On October 13th, I sold this women's Habitat button-down shirt. It sold for $12. I have a few Habitat brand shirts that I thought would be better sellers. Not for me. I have not really been super successful selling them. This took a long time to sell, I guess a month and a half, but it sold for $12. I thought it was going to sell for more. It didn't. I probably won't be picking up Habitat shirts for women because I have one other that is still sitting and I'm having a hard time selling it. So something that I'm learning as I'm selling what works for me and what may work for others. But yeah, probably won't be buying that brand again. My next sale was on October 15th, and this was for another candle. This one sold for a little bit less than the other one, $10.95, but I was happy just to get it to a new home, to have it be used again. Now, there is a break in my next set of sales. So I was on time away, like a vacation mode on eBay from October 16th through October 28th. And what I did this month, unlike what I did in the previous month, was I still allowed eBay to share my items and sell my items, but it would say on my page that the seller was going to be away for a period of time and would not be able to ship until they were home on 10/29, something like that. So the reason I share that is because now my previous sale, the candle, sold October 15th. My next sale was October 21st. Last month I did my time away and I halted all sales. So I could not make a sale because I didn't want to upset a buyer if they didn't notice that I was on vacation. So I thought this month, let's try it the other way. I still think it halted sales because people, when they want to buy something, they want it shipped out immediately. Like, I totally get that. So it took some time, but I did get this sale on October 21st for this vintage Tupperware deviled egg container. And when I got the sale, I immediately, because I was still away, I was at my brother's house helping him. He bought a new home. It's very exciting. So I was helping him, you know, unpack and all the things. So I was still away. So I reached out to the buyer and I said, thank you so much for your order. I just want to make sure you are aware that I am away on vacation, but I will be back. So this won't be able to ship out for like 7 more days. Is that okay with you? If not, you know, I can refund your money. And they said, absolutely no problem. They were aware. Perfect. So it sold for $19. I wasn't able to ship it out until, you know, I was back, but they're very happy. I'm very happy, happy. I made another, I made 2 more sales. So during my time away, I made 3 sales. That's better than 0 sales from the previous month. So I also sold this North Face men's raincoat on October 27th. And then for $28, I sold that jacket for. And then I also made a sale of this book, How Not to Hate Your Husband After Kids. Can you just love that title anymore? I don't think so. So that sold on October 27th for $5. And then my next sale, I was home. I did get home on October 28th, so I was able to ship that out the next day. But my next sale was for this set of 4 espresso mugs. They're Disney Winnie the Pooh themed. So cute. These took a little bit of time to sell, which surprised me, but I also looked in comparables and there were quite a few of these Disney espresso sets for sale. Mine was a very good price with very good shipping, so I knew it would sell eventually, and it did. I listed this on September 20th and it sold just over a month later on October 28th for $13.95. My next item that sold on October 29th was for this women's quince dress. This dress I have sold before, but it was returned because it didn't fit the customer, and I have free returns on my page. So they sent it back and it was new with tags, and I thought, oh no, did they take the tags off? Nope, they were good people. They left the tags on. So I was able to resell it, and I sold it for $17, and it was posted just the beginning of October 1st, and it sold, you know, just about a month later on October 29th. This next item that I sold on October 30th, the next day, were for these men's Clark's Chukka boots, size 13. I found these at a thrift store. They were in great condition. I sold them for $45.95 on the same day that I posted them. So these were priced right. So that just tells me these were priced right. There wasn't much competition. And this is a good item to kind of keep my eyes open for because it's a good sell-through. 2 more items sold in October, both of them October 31st. This was for a pair of overalls. These happen to be jean overalls for men, size extra large. These were posted October 3rd and sold a month later, October 31st, for $20. And then my last item that sold, these took a while to sell, and again, sold for less than I expected them to. These were posted August 20th and sold on October 31st. They sold for $13. And I think I spent $7 on them. So this will not be an item I look for to keep reselling, just not for me. For whatever reason, yeah, they just did not sell. So I sold 20 items in October. The average sale price per item was $31.06. The total sales was $621.16, so definitely less than previous months. I wasn't selling, I didn't have a lot of electronics or high priced items that are really part of my inventory right now, so I knew that my sales wouldn't be as high. My net sales were $342.76. So doing this part-time for the month, that is what I net myself, $342.76. I mean, it's real money. That is seriously real money, but it's less than what I've gotten in the past. That's okay, totally fine. I'm filming this November 6th. So just a few days after my completion of the month of October, and I'm really gearing up for what is next for November and December on eBay. For me, I'm absolutely loving my time reselling on eBay, getting items that can now have a second chance and a second opportunity to be used in someone else's home. It invigorates me. It's so exciting. If you would like to see my store, ReMended and Revival, I will have a link in the description box below so you can see. I do post items every day. Unless I'm on time away, then I don't necessarily post every day, but I try to, at least on the days that I am here, I do try to post every day, 1 or 2 items at minimum. And over here, my skeleton is wearing a Levi's men's jacket that is currently for sale, and you may not be able to see, but there's a really cool vintage Star Wars Stratego game that I picked up at the thrift store that I'm reselling too. So I have a lot of fun things. I want to get my items to people who will just use them and get them for a good deal, less expensive than brand new retail, but still a good deal for you and me. And I'm just so thrilled to be doing this. Thank you for being here. Thanks for watching me talk about everything, that all these 20 items that sold. If you're a reseller, let's talk below. I would love to kind of get to know you. I'm getting to know some eBay resellers that are bigger and some that are just my size too. Small, I call us. I have currently like 222 items listed, so small, but that's relative. Let's start living more sustainably. Let's do that, right? We can do these things. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thanks for being here.